Hi friends, welcome to another cooking video. This one's going to be in collaboration with my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy. I know you guys have heard me mention her many times. We have just finished doing a bunch of decluttering collabs together, and this time we're going to be doing a cooking collab. And we're going to be doing it as we call Tasty Tuesdays. So on every Tuesday, as much as we can, we're going to do a new recipe or new cooking video for you guys. That'll be kind of fun. Tasty Tuesdays, it'll be really fun to do. Wow, my face is like super glowing right now. My makeup is really glowy. Wow, sorry about that. That's really weird how glowy my face is right now. It's like picking it up. Anyways, today I am going to be doing a summer food type thing. It's gonna be me turning a side dish into a meal. Summertime, we like to have things light and just easy to eat and fresh. And what I'm doing is I'm doing a classic pasta salad and turning it into a meal. So come along with me if you are interested in seeing how I do it. All right guys, let's get to cooking. All right guys, remember my Grove Collaborative haul? This is the Grove Collaborative apron that I got in the mail. I really like it. So what you will be needing to make this is, I just picked up one of the Betty Crocker Suddenly Salads in Pasta Salads in Classic. So you could always just do this and just leave it be, but I wanted to add a little bit more to it to turn it into a meal. So I'm going to be adding some corn, some black beans, some chickpeas, which are garbanzo beans, and then also 2 cans of canned chicken breast. You don't have to do canned, you could do cooked chicken breast, or you could do tuna fish, or you don't even have to add any meat source at all. But I thought it'd be really yummy to add this with all this and this to turn a simple side dish into a meal. Alright, so I'm just going to start with cooking the Suddenly pasta salad. I'm just going to boil the noodles for now. I'm just going to follow the directions in the back of the box. This is a new scoop slash colander that I got from Ross for, I believe, $3.49. It's from Cuisinart. I really love how big the scoop is, and I can just use it as a colander. I can just scoop out the pasta, and it will be already drained when I add it to plates. I really like it. Alright, now I'm going to, in a separate bowl, mix the seasoning and the olive oil. It says to add 3 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'm just going to use the extra virgin olive oil because that's what I have. I'm just going to check on the pasta to make sure it is fully cooked now. While I still let it cook just a little bit longer, I am going to drain a couple cans of chicken, and I'm going to put it in a bowl so I can shred the chicken. Now that the pasta is done, I'm just going to drain it into a colander and then mix it in with a bowl of seasoning. Now I'm going to add the shredded chicken. I like to mix it all up before I add all the other things. Now I'm going to add 1/2 to 3/4 of a can of drained corn. I'm going to stir that up. And I'm going to add 1/2 to 3/4 of a can of drained black beans. And now I'm going to add 1/2 to 3/4 of a can of drained chickpeas or garbanzo beans, whatever you want to call them. And I'm going to mix it all up together. this is what it should look like. I feel like I should have made more pasta, but it still turned out pretty good. Alright you guys, I hope that was fun to watch. I hope you guys try it out yourselves and let me know in the description box if you have and if you like it. You can always add mushrooms, you can add pepperoni, you can add black olives, you can add green olives, you can add anything. Onions too. My husband's allergic to onions, so I don't add onions to anything. But yeah, that's how I decided to do it this time. I hope it was fun for you guys. It's just going to be a fun summer light meal to have on one of those hot summer days. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends. And if you also have not yet, definitely head over to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy, and subscribe to her and like her videos because you will definitely love her videos. Definitely subscribe to her because she has the greatest videos of all. Like, she's one of my favorite people to ever collab with. She does a lot of the same things I do: cooking, cleaning, decluttering, hauls, and DIYs and mommy videos. You guys will definitely love her because she is an incredible person. She's always happy and she's just very, very cool person. You should definitely check out her and her channel and subscribe to her. Sorry, my face is like totally glowing right now. I swear, I don't know what's going on. I look like I'm like an Emmy or something. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye!